yeah.
Good morning guys, welcome back sa aton channel guys. So karon short ride rata kay last week nag tuburan 360 matawag midloop. Aduol sa taron kay naurot atong power guys. So sa katong wala pa katan-aw sa katong video nako sa tuburan 360 tanawa to ninyo lingaw to. So karon na atay ride ato tag Danau sa kata sa Danau Golf Course. Unya after kay mag food trip ta dito sa kuan Mobile Danau. Kauban na to si Master GD. Ako siyang ipabot ron. So time check 5:41. Today is Sunday, April 13. Alright guys, kung wala kayong lingaw guys, kuyog na sa tanin nyo guys.
A few moments later.
So dara si Master GD guys. Ato sa nipapahawayan, mga 5 minutes lakaw na ta. So dahan kayo ng mga nag-ride so. So ride out kami guys 5:49. So maabot ni sa Danau mga wala pa siguro 7. Hayag na kayo 5:30 hayag na kayo.
If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who backed it, being negative when you should be getting after. I got backs over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, speaking fast. I'm the most I can gas, think I'm okay and fast, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get up.
So na ibang gasolinahan no? Light fuels. Yan ang ABS. Dara isa left. Yeah, pasulod na ta sa Lasyon. Konsolasyon. So, SM Konsolasyon guys. Time check 1:05 alas 6 o'clock in the morning. Boss Willie! So, doon kami sa simbahan sa Liloan. Boss! O City Hall, nag-asbang lang. So time check 6:17. Natas Compostela. Okay. Nasangit ko sa van. Yalihan ko sa van.
Thinking that I'm too much, thinking they come with a few thoughts, 'cause I'm too lost. Sneakers can't even handle me, even matter what I got, nobody's gonna drain my energy. And I will never stop, I'm motivated by enemies. Setting up shop so everybody remember me. And no, I am not going through life regretfully. I'd rather work non-stop, what they call incessantly, than work some odd job just to live life pleasantly. Already got lost in my mind, not a fantasy, I'm getting with a forgotten soul. So stop, drop, and roll. You lost all control and pop off your ball. I got squat, I fall, I'm not bought, I'm sold. My stock rocks, it's gold. Hey, knock, knock, she home, it's shit.
Doon Lagoon Park. Nasa tayo na siya guys. So doon na ta sa boundary. Tapos kailangan ko tanaw. Tirahan ni Master GD rin. Para kayo. Update sa Kuandre Tambayanan. Nagupa ni pag-audit guys. Kaning kurag daywak nila. Yan ilang ipanindutan rin.
So good, got me straight in the mood. She read that room, she know just what to do. Moving that body, she dancing and shaking, it's making them crazy. She know how to move. She said she's ready to party. Let's get it started. Tequila straight out the bottle. She looks so good when she's sipping a model. I can't get enough. I need you. I think this is lust, not love. 'Cause everything that we touch gives us a rush, and everything that we taste feels like a drug.
Mga na niya, mid song na yun. Yeah, mostly mga trabahante nila is babae. Mga babae guys. Hindi man korog kamot ang mga babae guys. Matoo mga na guys. So time now is 6:35. Ilhanan nyo guys, kana na ipalit ko guys. Bihara na dati. Honong. So dere guys, kana na sa kami ha. Ara mo dia guys. Saka namin dere. With Master GD. Lagi mag-jogging dire. Jogginganan din siya. Uphill. Panington sa gadire pataka ka dire. Tira pataka ka. 12% gradient. Pero dili ni kakuan. Lapas 15. Dire rin ikutob.
Oh, yung putong adugi.
14. Abot nag 14 rin So dulhog. Naigamay dulhog. Palupat nag-drone niya. So mao ni siya view diri guys sa going to Danao Golf Course. Kuan mo rag restaurant na. Try, trailo. Ay ta ubos. Oh, mo na gini pinakatumoy ganing sa ubos. Nya musakat na dito nya. Dagan lagi. So mo na ni siya ang kuan guys. Pinaka-entrance dito sa ubos. Direk mo na akong video gabi eh. Direk ko ato. Oh, kato kang video ba? Ha? Kato akong gi-post ba? Oh, dira ako gikan padong saka dito. So, golf course na diha. So, nya kana dira na gamay skina diha. Trail na siya. Hikers. Tuyok na dito, tuyok. Kato, moto dito. Nya balik na misagi diri ra man kutob.
Watch me as I take off. I'll be working until I have all of my days off. Then I'm surfing in California when I'm paid off. I'll be blurring my vision, sipping on that bass sauce. La da da, watch out, I'm coming, yeah. I know, I'm a hustler, I go. Got me running, got me gunning for thrones. I won't go back, no pass, blow past so fast, I'm gone. Grow fast, big splash, all cash, like watch me as I take off. I'll be working until I have all of my days off. Then I'm surfing in California when I'm paid off. I'll be blurring my vision, sipping on that bass sauce. La da da, I'll be eating Kobe steak hot. La da da.
Apil ako sa vlog ni Master for flip. Nalikod din sa good course, aram view guys ay. View guys oh. Dire guys. Natin Master. Nandiyo sabay-sabay yan eh. Tara. Puro ang tubig eh. Wala na so tubig na oh guys. Alam view guys ha. Mo ni atong view dili. Tara guys.
So hinay mo diri guys basta malabang. Okay. Depende lang na giveaway ang mga skinan. So kani diri guys, puro ni siya mga liguanan, cottage sa una. Karon kay ila mang gitangan og alit barrier. So padong na ta si Plakdanaw niya. Mga oni unahan pa gid may sa mobile Danau.
I've got an itch I can't scratch. I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me. I know who won't start a scene. Everybody come here, gather round. Welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly. Thoughts jumble around, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative. I don't wanna get lost in guys. Gotta show what I got, I'm competitive. I'm about to go hard, I won't let it when I'll take a stab. I wanna chase a bag, I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I gotta
Kani skina sa right padong na sa atong gi-vlog na ko sa una ta mangrove. 1,000 mangrove. ta dere. So mo yung sudlan guys ha, kanay skin. Let's pag na kusog kinay yung facing gani magkuyog mo nilang Mark. So na rough road dere. Ah dere kaon ta dere. So, naanata diri guys. Pero po ko kari diri. Kita ko sa video ni Master Oni. Manang katulturtahan niya sa nilapit. Palitag sa daan diri nga onta. So, seafood sa entrada diri guys. Wala na yung mga bikers eh. Boss!
Sino lang, sir?
Masay kasagaran orderon diri te.
Ha?
Masay kasagaran orderon diri yung mga inani. Kamu ray mo kuan ilaw.
Pwede rin kami, pwede rin sab kamo.
Tagpila inani te?
40 na.
40. Ay, ayaw lang sa siguro. Huwag kasuway ka na nigit. Kana lang ah. So, naidagat diri guys. So, kung taob ni diri, pwede rin mo maligo. Ano yung mga nangaligan. Nasa shipyard dito. So, mao niya ang mga sedan guys. Kasap kami ang napakilaw. Master GP.
A few moments later.
Oh guys. May mais guys. Busog na yun guys. Hindi may kahorot ani guys. Bring home na nini mo masyar.
Mada ba? Mata ka ba? Bitay-bitay. Kan, ako uslo naman yan. Huwag yung bibingog.